Hello. In this quick video I'm going to show you 6 plants, 6 herbs that will lower your blood sugar levels. If you have problems, your blood sugar fluctuates a lot, it rises a lot and you don't know what to do, these herbs can help you a lot. And the last 2 that I'm going to talk about, which are the 5th and 6th, are the most important, the most studied, and I want you to try them, okay? So, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Patrick Rocha. I'm the founder of Dr. Rocha, which is your health education portal here for diabetics on the internet. Let's spread health together. My work is also aimed at those who are obese, overweight, those with high blood pressure and those who want to have better health. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, be a member of this channel too. I am also present on other social networks, on Instagram, I am on TikTok and also on Facebook. So let's get to the content, come with me. Well, the first herb, the first plant is cinnamon, right? Cinnamon can help improve a lot of insulin sensitivity and also lower blood glucose levels after meals. There are several studies, I'll even put them on the screen here, which show that cinnamon helps reduce blood glucose, especially after meals. It's a great option for diabetics to use in the form of tea, especially, right? And here is this study, which is a review of several studies that show how cinnamon lowers glycemic. Second plant is wild Gymnema, okay? This plant has traditionally been used in Ayurvedic medicine, which is Indian medicine to treat diabetes. So it is believed that wild Gymnema extract of 200 to 400 milligrams can reduce sugar absorption in the intestine and increase insulin production in the body. Here is a study that shows the effect of Gymnema sylvestre, for those who want to delve deeper. I will also leave the description here at the link in the video description. The third plant, aloe vera. Some studies show that aloe vera gel, aloe vera itself, can help lower blood glucose levels. There aren't many high-level studies yet, but there are already some interesting studies that show that the active compounds in aloe vera can improve insulin sensitivity and facilitate the entry of glucose into cells. It's true. It also has an antioxidant effect, an anti-inflammatory present in aloe vera, which is very important for those with diabetes, very important for those with obesity, because it helps protect the body from free radicals, oxidative stress, and this causes a reduction of insulin resistance, and aloe vera gel is excellent for healing. People with diabetes are much more likely to have wound healing problems, especially if their glucose levels are not controlled. And the topical application of aloe vera gel helps a lot in wound healing in diabetics, reducing the risk of infections. Fourth, garlic itself, so well known for its various health benefits. Some studies indicate that garlic can help improve glycemic control in people who have type 2 diabetes, okay? So it helps with glycemic control. Now I'm going to talk about the 2 most important ones. First, the Sal Caetano melon, which is our 5th, okay? The Sal Caetano melon, which comes from Momordica charantia, right? The plant is known as bitter melon too. It's a plant that has been studied a lot for its medicinal properties, especially for diabetics, especially to lower blood sugar, right? So, just so you understand some of the benefits of Sal Caetano melon for diabetics, you can use it to reduce blood sugar. Several studies suggest that Sal Caetano melon can indeed help reduce blood glucose levels. It contains active compounds that are called charantes, which have hypoglycemic properties. It also improves insulin sensitivity. Some studies show that Sal Caetano melon can help improve the sensitivity of cells to insulin, helping to control type 2 diabetes, okay? And also reducing, as I said, inflammation itself, resistance, insulin, which ends up disrupting the lives of diabetics. I'm now going to show you a 3-month study on 24 adults with diabetes. It's here on the screen for you, just so you can see how interesting this study is. Look, this study showed that taking 2 grams of Sal Caetano melon daily reduced blood sugar and glycated hemoglobin, which is the most important test, right? Which shows the average of the last 3 months of blood glucose. This study is very interesting, it shows this reduction. There was also another study that was carried out with 40 people with diabetes, which found that taking 2 grams or 2,000 milligrams of Salcaetano melon for 4 weeks led to a reduction, although modest, but there was a reduction in sugar levels in the blood. Besides, the supplement significantly reduced fructosamine levels, which is a marker of long-term blood sugar control. Okay. Well, Salcaetano melon is also known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which, as I said previously, can help a lot to protect cells from oxidative stress associated with diabetes.
Tá certo?
Now let's talk about berberine, which is the 6th and last plant and is the most important of all.
Níveis de açúcar no sangue.
It lowers blood sugar levels. Look how interesting this study is that I'm going to put here for you now. Many studies, in fact, set of studies, show that berberine can significantly reduce blood sugar levels in people who have type 2 diabetes.
Tá?
It works through several mechanisms that are being increasingly studied, reducing insulin resistance, making insulin action more effective, right? Putting glucose inside the cell, increasing glycolysis. What is that? Making your body break down the sugars inside your cells, okay? It also reduces the production of sugar in the liver. It blocks the production of sugar in the liver, which is the same action as metformin, right? It also reduces the absorption of carbohydrates in the intestine and increases the number of beneficial bacteria in your intestine. The amount of benefit from berberine is incredible. There was a 2008 study with 116 people with diabetes who took 1 gram of berberine per day and it reduced their fasting blood sugar levels by 20%. This is amazing. It also reduced glycated hemoglobin, which is such an important test to monitor diabetes for those with diabetes problems. And there was also a reduction in triglycerides in the blood, which is great, which is an inflammatory hormone. So talk to your doctor if you want to try berberine, as many of them are already prescribing it, which are already more aligned with science, which will help you a lot.
Tá?
So berberine, it helps a lot. It's the best of the ones I mentioned here. I saved the best for last. It really helps to reduce blood glucose and also glycated hemoglobin, as effective as many medications such as metformin. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like this video here, okay? Leave your comment below if you knew, right? If you knew these herbs, if you use any of them, which one do I want to know? Okay, I'll stay here. Big hug and I'll see you in the next video. See you then, bye bye.